Hi guys, dito po kami ngayon sa post office. Kuha po ako ngayon ng bank statement. May dala akong ERC, passbook, passport, photocopy ERC and passport. At ito yung pinaka-importante, Inchang. Then number 27, maghihintay po tayo hanggang tawagin yung 78 doon sa my monitor. Tayo na 78. Hi. Get ng bank statement. Yes.
Okay.
Inchang. Passport. Need this photocopy. Don't need na pala ng photocopy at saka ERC photocopy. Original passport, ERC at saka Inchang. Stamp at saka ng passbook. Yan lang. Wait tayo. Mag-wait lang tayo. Yan. Required to travel address. Your number here?
This one here.
Yeah, okay.
And then this one here. Number 2. Okay.
Number 2. Okay. And I get my bank statement. Thank you for watching. Kuha na kayo guys. Madali lang. Bye.